Okay, I'm gonna put the blindfold on and we're gonna taste.
Yeah. Wait, Apollo, you might want to do it at the table.
Okay. Yeah, we're coming. We're coming.
Okay. Here's.
And you can show them the food?
Yeah, I won't tell us though. Sorry if it's sparkling for your eyes.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Let me put the blindfold on.
Is this iPad up too high?
No, it's fine.
Oh, it should be like this.
Okay, go.
Okay, could you see?
No,
Okay.
I can only see black
What's
stuff.
first food?
Hi guys. I'm making this video. We're making this video because
Hold on, I'm gonna show
we're
you.
just gonna make it.
Could you see it?
No.
Open your mouth. Like,
Wow. Ew, what is that? Oh, is that bread?
yeah.
It's good.
Don't put your blindfold up there.
Okay. That one's good. Just give me the food in my hand, okay?
No, I know. This one you'll have to have in your hand because it's a drink.
Oh.
You're going to like it.
Green lemon lime Gatorade.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
And the last one is so amazing.
Here. It looks like it's so good. Oh my god, I want more.
Could you see?
No.
Open your mouth. It's on a spoon.
Oh.
Or do you want to just put it on or no?
I'll put it.
No, don't take. No.
Oh, I didn't taste it yet. Frosted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's all of Apollo's taste test. And now he's going to be doing a taste test to me with only 3 things. But don't give me any peanut butter or peanuts, I swear.
Got it. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes.